Alright, the next piece we're going to talk about is cutting out the head. Alright, so not going to be anything terribly fancy at first. What I'm going to do is, again, this is the other side of construction paper. I'm going to start cutting in from around the other side. Hopefully you'll see the scissors shortly. Here we go. Okay. Alright, we'll maybe stop right about there. Then I'm going to come in here and just kind of cut into the space a little bit. Now when I'm coming around this side, I can probably go ahead and precisely cut that right along that line right there. Okay? But again, my big goal right now is I just want to get this separated out of there. Okay? So I'm just going to go kind of like, cut around like that. Okay. So now the head is separated from the rest of that figure. So the next thing I want to do is just simply go around the edge of this figure and cut out the lines. I'm going to go all the way up into that corner right there. I don't know how well you can see it. Hopefully this will focus. All right, just right up there into that corner. Okay. Now I'm going to cut right along that line right there. And then the other thing I have to make sure I do is cut out this little piece right here. Okay. Now I'm going to go along here and cut that out. Now right here along that edge. Now I'm just going to, well, let me just keep going here. I'm going to go along that one. I'm going to cut up to here. Now I'm going to turn it around like this, and I am going to cut along here. Again, I have to get all the way up into that corner right there. Right? I need all of this part here to come out. So I got to cut it like this. Okay. Get some of the scrap cleared away. All right, you see how I have that perfectly cut out now. Okay, I'm going to come around here and do the top of it. Got to go all the way up to this corner right there. Got it. Okay, now I'm going to try to get rid of this. Try and get rid of all of that big piece of construction paper right there. I'd love to have that out of the way. Okay. All right, we're getting there. I'm going to cut out the top of this right here. All right, I'm going to cut this edge off right there. Okay. Almost there. Doesn't really matter what order you do this in, just so long as you're cutting out around the outside of the shape. Okay. I'm going to come down here and start getting this. All right. I've got to get up into this corner here. All right, there we go. Cut this corner off. Now I'm going to cut in here. Almost there. Need to cut this out real fast. And that. Okay, I think we got one more edge right there. Okay, and at this point, the head piece is completely cut out. Now, if you got your glue stick handy, sometimes what will happen is if there are areas that you didn't get covered very well, there's all kinds of things that can happen during that step. So just take a minute, kind of like flick your finger around the edges. If anything peels up, put some more glue on it so that way it stays put. All right? In the next video, we're going to start talking about how to fold this head up.